Good morning to all the people watching this video on YouTube. And I want to welcome you to my program on my show. And guys, let me tell you guys, it is the morning. Sunday morning, beautiful sunny morning. You can see clear sky up above. No cloud. Very nice morning. It is not very breeze, not breezy also, no wind. So let me show you guys. If you can see the trees, there is no wind. The trees are still a moment. So guys, today, like I said in my previous video, not much in the world of sports happening. So let me tell you guys about another one of my favorite YouTube stars or influencers or podcaster. And the name of this YouTube creator, content creator is Mr. Chael Sonnen. Chael, they say Chael P. Sonnen. And the P stands for gangster, American gangster. He's called, or the bad guy. He has many nicknames. So let me tell you guys about the Chael Sonnen first a little bit. He grew up in the main streets of West Linn, Oregon, and his father was a tradesman. And growing up, he had very good relationship with his family. And Chael is not a very common name, so let me tell you something. How he got that name Chael? I think someone in his family wanted to name him Michael, but his mother, I think, did not like the name Michael. So they settled on Chael. They removed the M-I and they just stuck with Chael. So that is how he got his unique name. And like his unique name, he's a very unique person, a very great fighter. So he was an amateur wrestler in his school days, college days, and he also tried to qualify for America team, but then he has a very big heart, so he let other guys go to Olympics, and he became MMA fighter, professional fighter. Now guys, let me tell you also, Chael Sonnen was a big fan of pro wrestling, Hulk Hogan, Macho Man, Ric Flair, Jake Snakes Robert, and he often talks about Ultimate Warrior. He often talks about that. He's very open that he is a very big fan of WWF and Vince McMahon and WCW, all of those guys. And now let me tell you a little bit about his MMA career. Now he has beaten many great fighters, and he is the greatest fighter of all time. And allegedly, or maybe really, he's never lost a round, never lost a minute, never lost a second of any fight. He made a Tito tap. He gave a chair, what his name is, Anderson Silva, good beating. And he legitimized many fighters' careers by simply fighting with them, like that guy, what his name, Emelianenko, Fedor Emelianenko, just to name John Jones. John Jones he fought John Jones and he broke his toe, John Jones' toe, and John Jones is still suffering from not broken toe, but after effects of that broken toe. John Jones is still suffering from that. And John Jones, before he fought Chael Sonnen, he before that he ducked Chael Sonnen because one time in UFC, John Jones was supposed to fight one fighter, but that fighter withdrew. So Chael said, "I will fight John Jones," but John Jones got scared, and I think he got scared, and then he said, "No, let's not fight," and that event was cancelled. That is the only time this has happened in UFC history. So John Jones refused to fight Chael Sonnen. He's such a terrifying fighter, this Chael Sonnen I'm talking about. And let me also tell you, Chael Sonnen is now middle-aged man. He has family, kids, very nice kids. And I will tell you about Chael Sonnen so also. But I'm not finished about talking about his fighting career. So in Chael Sonnen fighting career, he once I don't know which promotion it was, Strike Force or something. It's the Strike Force or some promotion, fighting promotion before UFC, and he was supposed to fight the champion. And I don't know the champion's name. It is not relevant. It does not matter when you fight Chael Sonnen and you become famous. But this guy is so forgettable. I can't even remember his name. But anyways, guys, what happened? In the way, this other fighter, he missed weight. And we've seen this happen with Charles Oliveira. When he missed weight, he was stripped of the title. But this guy, he was not stripped of the title. So he went into the fight against Chael Sonnen after not making weight and not being stripped of his title. And then Chael Sonnen gave him good beating and defeated him. But I don't know what the judges or what that promotion, how it worked. They did not give Chael Sonnen his belt. So that is it in the eyes of in the actual world, in a fair, not a fair world, but in esports, Chael Sonnen should have won that belt that day. But anyways, that was before I became fan of fighting, so I don't know a lot about it. And maybe that is why I can't remember the name, because anyone who fights Chael Sonnen becomes a superstar overnight. That is a fact. But now let me tell you, after Chael Sonnen retired, he was fighting in Bellator, and then he retired after he gave his stamp of approval to what his name, Fedor Emelianenko, because Emelianenko wanted to fight Chael Sonnen because so that he could gain some popularity, I guess. So after that, Chael Sonnen retired, and then he became a YouTuber. And he has one of the best shows on YouTube, MMA related or anything else. And it is very good for guys like Chael Sonnen. Is very good speaker, very articulate. He speaks very, very well. And he has the ability of putting words together in a grammatically correct sequence, but not saying anything. So he might say a sentence which is equal to blank, like not saying anything, which is a very great quality. I think he makes many videos every day, and he has more than 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And what else was I going to tell you? And he tells me there are many versions of Chael Sonnen, the YouTuber. And there is Uber Chael, there is outside walking Chael, there is sometimes working out Chael, there is sometimes coffee shop Chael, and what else? So there are many versions of Chael. Sometimes he's in the streets protecting Wesleyan, Oregon. Also, Chael Sonnen has biggest arms in Wesleyan, Oregon. Or allegedly or supposedly, I don't know. And what else? Sometimes Chael Sonnen children, they come on his show, and like they are little children, they come on his show, and it is very wholesome. Like Chael is it looks like very happy family they are. So that is another good example for people of the world to see how to manage work and family life. And what else? Chael Sonnen, some famous story I want to tell you guys. There was one story which his son told him. So Chael Sonnen talks about MMA, but he also talks about other stories. Like one day, just a few days ago, he was talking about his account being hacked, and then he asked whoever hacked his account to give him back his account, give him back his password and stuff. And one time Chael made a video about losing his Bitcoin because again he forgot password. And one time, one of my favorite stories is the Hulk story that Chael Sonnen's son told him, and then Chael Sonnen told us about Green Hulk or Red Hulk. I'm not very familiar with Hulk, but it was a Hulk story, a very nice story. And then also Chael gives advice to fighters, and I wish more fighters listen to him because he gives good advice. Chael Sonnen is number one at selling fight, I think. Like I said, he says lots of words without saying anything, and that helps. That can really help a fight. Sell a fights. He sold many fights. He was the biggest draw in UFC before Conor McGregor, and I don't understand why people like Conor McGregor. But anyways, that's a different topic. Um, yeah, so Chael Sonnen gives very good advice to his to fighters, and this fighter listen to him. His latest piece of advice is for Mr. Michael Chandler, Iron Michael Chandler, and Michael Chandler has said that he has been offered fight against Islam for title, and Chael Sonnen is saying that he should fight Islam. He made long video about this. He didn't say much, but in the end, what I got from that video was that he was trying to say that Chandler should fight Islam, and I totally agree with that. Opinion. He also recently made a video about Alex Pereira moving up to heavyweight to fight the champion, to become champion at heavyweight, and the way he said it, he said that if Pereira loses his next fight, then it is easier for him to move up, and it makes sense. And there are many things about Chael Sonnen, and I can't remember everything right now. He offers you this and he offers you that. And then he says, he made many people famous, like I said. From fighting, if you fight him, you become famous. If Chael Sonnen says your name, you become famous. Like Charlie Olives has become very famous, very popular. And Tom Aspinwall, and Yair Rodriguez. And there are many fighters, I can't remember all of them. So yeah, and one day I hope, people who want to learn English can listen to Chael Sonnen, how to speak a good language, and he will, just by listening to him you can improve your English, I think. And one day I hope to speak good English and also have big YouTube channel like Chael Sonnen with million subscribers. But until then, guys, watch this video. Tell me what you think, and tell me what you think. If you never watched Chael Sonnen, that watch Chael Sonnen videos. And if you have, then tell me what you think. What other qualities you find good or interesting about Chael Sonnen, and I will add them. I'll make another video about Chael Sonnen. He's a great guy. I like his channel. So, guys, I hope you like my channel also. And I hope you're having a good day. Now I have to go inside and have to check whether I have to work today or not. And then after next week, I hope your day is better than mine. Although my day is not very bad, it is good day. I'm going to eat something also. And then I will talk to. Maybe I'll have something interesting to talk about. Something that happens during the day that I can talk to you guys about later. Okay, guys. So enjoy, have fun, go out, maybe go run, exercise, be active, be healthy, be safe, be happy. And I don't know. Chael Sonnen doesn't end this video in any particular manner, so. Let me just say, okay then, I'll just say goodbye then. Goodbye for now, guys. Okay, alright then.